Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of phishing attacks and how you can protect yourself from these cyber threats. Phishing is sneaky, clever, and can happen to anyone. We're going to break down everything you need to know about phishing, from the different ways it can snag you to how to stay safe. I'm talking real-world examples, practical tips, and maybe even a few cautionary tales. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you protected. Alright, let's talk email phishing. It's a sneaky tactic used by cybercriminals to steal your personal information. You get an email that looks legit, like it's from your bank or your boss. It might even have official logos and professional language. They might tell you there's been suspicious activity on your account, or you need to update your password immediately to avoid being locked out. The goal is to trick you into clicking a link or downloading something that'll hand over your personal info, like your passwords or credit card numbers. These emails can be very convincing, using the company's logo and even your real name to make it look authentic. But there are telltale signs. Check the sender's email address and look for bad grammar and spelling mistakes, which are often red flags. Never click on a link if you're not sure it's legit. Hover over it first to see where it really takes you. Stay vigilant and protect yourself from these scams. If email phishing is like casting a wide net, spear phishing is like using a laser pointer, zeroing in on a specific target with precision. It's all about targeted attacks aimed at specific people or organizations, making them much more dangerous. These attackers do their homework, gathering detailed information from social media profiles, company websites, or even data breaches. Imagine getting an email that looks like it's from your colleague asking you to review an important document. You click the link and boom, you've just given them access to sensitive company data, potentially compromising your entire network. Spear phishing is particularly dangerous because it plays on trust and familiarity, making it harder to detect. Be extra cautious with emails that seem too good to be true or ask for sensitive information, as they are often traps. Always verify requests through another channel, such as a phone call or face-to-face conversation. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Practicing good cybersecurity habits can save you from a lot of trouble. Let's talk about phishing's sneaky little brother, smishing. It's a growing threat in our increasingly mobile world. It's the same idea as email phishing, but through text messages. These messages often try to trick you into clicking a malicious link or providing personal information. You know those random texts about winning a free cruise or claiming a package you never ordered? That's smishing. They play on your curiosity and urgency. These messages can look convincing, using familiar brand names or spoofing the sender ID. They mimic real companies to gain your trust. Check the phone number and pay attention to the urgency of the message. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to make you act quickly without thinking. Legitimate companies usually use their own short codes or regular numbers. Always verify the source before taking any action. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay skeptical and protect yourself from smishing scams. Phishing can also get personal with Vishing voice phishing. Scammers use the telephone to trick you into giving up your personal information. They might pretend to be from your bank, the IRS, or tech support. Legitimate organizations will never ask for your personal information over the phone. If you get a call like this, hang up and call the organization back using a verified phone number. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Let's talk about pharming, which can be tough to spot. With pharming, even if you type in the correct website address, you can get redirected to a fake website. This happens through DNS poisoning or malware that changes your computer's host file. Make sure your computer's security software is up to date. Be careful about clicking on links in emails or suspicious websites. Always double-check the website address before entering any personal information. Technology can only do so much. The best defense against phishing attacks is you. Education is key. Share information with friends and family. Be vigilant, cautious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. If something seems off, it probably is. Knowledge is power. Let's talk about multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without the second factor. Enable MFA wherever possible. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Anti-phishing tools are like digital bodyguards for your online life. Email filtering solutions block phishing emails before they reach you. Browser plugins and security software act like web filters, blocking known phishing websites. Invest in good anti-phishing tools. Let them do the heavy lifting while you browse the internet in peace. Stay safe online. Verify requests for sensitive information. Legitimate organizations will never ask for your personal information over email or text. If you get a request, verify it through another channel. Call your bank directly or contact your friend or colleague separately. Avoid using the contact information provided in the suspicious email or text. Always go directly to the source. Keep your software updated. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Think of it like patching cracks in your house to keep hackers out. Update your operating system, web browser, email client, and other software regularly. It might seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference. Stay safe online. Check for SSL certificates and the HTTPS lock. HTTPS encrypts data, making it harder for hackers to intercept your information. Before entering sensitive information, check for the padlock icon and make sure the website address starts with HTTPS. If it doesn't, find a more secure alternative. If you fall victim to a phishing scam, act quickly. Change your passwords for all accounts that share the same password. Report the incident to your bank, credit card company, or the relevant website. The faster you act, the better your chances of mitigating the damage. Staying safe online is an ongoing process. Be prepared to respond quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Share this video with friends and family to spread awareness. Stay informed about the latest threats and update your defenses accordingly. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next one.